To complete your setup on Venmo after signing up, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is fully functional and secure. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from Venmo. Click on the link in the email to confirm your address and activate your account. Step 2. Link a bank account or card. Open the Venmo app and go to the settings menu. Select payment methods and choose to add a bank account or debit/credit card. Follow the prompts to enter your banking details. Step 3. Set up your profile. In the app, navigate to your profile settings. Add a profile picture, update your display name, and write a brief bio to personalize your account. Step 4. Enable security features. Go to the privacy section in settings and adjust your privacy settings according to your preference. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Explore and use Venmo. Familiarize yourself with the app's features by exploring the home feed, sending a small payment to a friend, or requesting money. This will help you understand how to use Venmo effectively. Now that you have completed the setup process, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money with ease. Enjoy your experience.